Okay, great. Now let's learn the new vocabulary. Partner, someone you have a romantic relationship with. Be together, be in a romantic relationship. Go out with someone, have a romantic relationship with someone. Ex-boyfriend, a person who was your boyfriend in the past. We can say ex-girlfriend, ex-wife, or ex-husband. Get to know someone. Learn about and become friends with someone. Get married, become husband and wife. Have a baby, become a new mother or father. Couple, two couple, often in a romantic relationship. Split up, stop having a romantic relationship. Divorced, married in the past but not now. Thanks for joining us.